Everyone, Scott Smith. Friday, September 4th. Gosh, what a great day! We are heading into Labor Day weekend, and which usually signals the end of summer, the beginning of school year. The change from the hot summer to the crisp fall air. So it's always kind of a fun time of year, especially in Minnesota when we feel those seasons change. That's what we love living here. And it's also nearing the end of when we're going to have kind of that warm, enjoyable weather. So wanted to share with you a couple things this Friday. In this email, you're going to see a really interesting graph from that was put out by Freddie Mac, who is one of the government lenders that backs conventional loans. And what it does is just good illustration of how interest rates have changed over the last 6 to 8 months. Right now, we are at the lowest interest rates in history since they've been tracking them. We've heard of clients that are locking in interest rates on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage for 2.5%, right around there, which is absolutely incredible. And people keep talking about free money, and it's absolutely incredible. So if you have an interest rate that is over 3%, certainly reach out to us and talk about strategies. Literally, you can go from a 30 to a 15-year mortgage and probably save maybe $10, $20, $30,000 just in interest payments. And who would want to take advantage of that? Also with that, I've touched on this before, is if you have private mortgage insurance on your loan, look at your loan statement, take a close look at that. With the increase in property values over the last few years and significantly over the last few months, that refinance, you might also be able to eliminate your private mortgage insurance by showing at least 20% equity in your home. So it's a double whammy in a good way, where you can drop your interest rate and take advantage of getting rid of that private mortgage insurance, which would be certainly a large financial windfall and have a big impact on your pocketbooks as taking advantage of a refinance. So certainly reach out to us if you have any questions or want to just kind of get an idea of what that would look like for you. We can do some quick calculations and give you some insight on that. Second thing I would just want to touch on is back to school. Obviously, kind of, I guess, back to school, depending on which area of the state or the country or the Twin Cities you are in. We might be going back virtually, might be back hybrid, or you might be back in full force. I think the biggest thing that we just want to share, because both our parents, Royal and Joan, were both teachers. Our sister Heidi is a teacher before, so we've got a soft spot in our hearts for all those teachers and students and education that are out there. We just want to wish everyone a safe return back to school, no matter what format that's going to be. And my daughter Maddie is going to be freshman at the University of Minnesota, and we've certainly had some challenges with that. Tyler is going to be going into his senior year, and our daughter Gabby is going to be going into 8th grade. So wishing you and all your family and the kids a fresh start back to school, no matter what format that might be in, and safe return for all the teachers and students with that. So everyone, the best. Enjoy Labor Day weekend, the official end of summer. Go find some fried food out there since the state fair isn't happening, and see if you can find something and reminisce a little bit about what's happening with the state fair. So wishing you all the best, and we'll see you next Friday. Take care.